Hi, I'm Lanny, and this is Preserving Today. Okay, today I'm working on 100 different projects at the same time, and I want to make some popsicles for later. So I'm going to show you how fast it is to make these coconut kefir popsicles. Can you say coconut kefir?
Kefir.
And I'm going to do like pina colada style and use canned pineapple because that's all I have for fruit right now. But raspberries, blueberries, strawberries would. You could get creative with mango.
Mango?
Yeah. Today I'm using canned pineapple and the coconut kefir. And if you want to see how to make coconut kefir, you can watch my other video here. This is how I make coconut kefir, but a quick rundown is you just make it like you make dairy kefir. Dairy kefir grains fermented for about 24 hours, strained out, and then this is what I have finished. So this was fermented for 24 hours. I removed the kefir grains, and now this is just fermented coconut milk. If you don't have fermented coconut kefir, you can definitely use regular coconut milk. Just use full fat canned coconut milk for the best results. Here is my janky old popsicle set. I'll link to this in the description. It has served me well. We have survived dog attacks of them chewing on them, which they don't fit very well, and we have lost 2, so we're down to just 4 popsicles. For these easy coconut kefir popsicles, all you need to do is make sure your coconut kefir is blended really well. If there's any separation, you just want to mix it up. First, I'm going to dump half of my coconut kefir into another vessel that's big enough to blend in, and then in here I'm going to add some vanilla powder, and I have this Beyond Good Madagascar Pure Ground Vanilla, which is my favorite. I'm not going to add very much, and I'm only going to add that to one of my vessels. So we're going to have unsweetened vanilla coconut kefir. Blend this up. Okay, next I'm going to get this can of pineapple opened up. Alright, this is crushed pineapple, which is fine, and I'm just going to strain it into another container. In this container, we're gonna mix the pineapple with it. So I'm gonna add a good, 3/4 cup of pineapple to that. Maybe it was a big half cup, who knows. I'm gonna use the immersion blender to blend this all together. Now I'm gonna taste it. Oh, that's really good, but I feel like it could use more pineapple flavor, so I'm gonna add some more. That tastes better. Now, when in doubt, add a pinch of salt. Just a little salt is gonna make this flavor taste totally different. The salt will bring out the flavor without adding extra sugar. So in this case, the only sugar that's been added is the pineapple. Now we have our 2 mixtures to fill our mold. I'm going to add a little bit of the pineapple to each. I take my mold and I just try to knock any air bubbles out. Then I'm going to add my vanilla coconut kefir. Now, if I was using something besides pineapple with a red or purple, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, then this would look really pretty because you would have these nice layers of color. And that's all I do is I go back and forth, layering a little bit of each. Okay, next we place. And then that is ready to go into the freezer with our layers there. And again, if I used a bright color fruit, this would be way prettier for the camera, but I'm making use of what I have here today. These are gonna go into the freezer. There we go, a couple hours and we'll have popsicles. What are you eating?
Popsicle.
What kind of popsicle is that?
Good.
Good kind? So these could be made with any fresh or frozen fruit mixed with your coconut kefir. Thank you. Blend the fruit straight from frozen with the coconut milk and it makes it extra creamy. My favorite to do that with is mango.
Mango kefir.
But really any fruit. But if you use a watery fruit, having it frozen before you blend it with the coconut milk kefir will make it creamier. Can you say coconut?
Coconut.
Can you say pineapple?
Pineapple.
Can you say popsicle?
Popsicle.
Can you say enjoy?
Joy.
Can you say preserving today?
Preserve.
Come back soon.
Come back soon.
Bye-bye.